Assalamu Alaikum everyone! Today I am going to show you a very delicious Achari chicken recipe. If you love spicy and tangy chicken, then this Achari chicken recipe is going to be your new favorite. The taste is so good, you'll be licking your fingers. First, I am adding 1 cup of soybean oil into a pan. Soy baldiza, then I will add half tablespoon of 5 spice, panporon. When the spices start releasing a nice aroma, I will add 2 cardamoms, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 1 bay leaf. Next, I will add sliced onions and fry them until they turn nice and golden brown. Salt according to taste. Once the onions are ready, I will add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, one tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, then I will add a little water and cook the spices well. After that, I will add 1 tablespoon coriander powder and cook the masala until the oil separates. Now I will add the chicken pieces and mix them well with the spices. Then I will cover with a lid and cook for about 10 minutes. After cooking for about 10 minutes, I will open the lid, and at this stage I will add a little mustard oil for that authentic achari flavor and extra aroma. Then I will add 6 to 7 garlic cloves and 4 to 5 green chilies. I will add just a little water because we don't need much gravy. After 10 minutes, I will add the pickles. You can use any pickle you like. Here I am using a mix of olive pickle and mango pickle. Now I will cover it again and let it cook. Once the chicken is fully cooked, I will add some fresh coriander leaves and then it is ready to serve.